Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom buttons and links in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to add quick actions or external links directly into your Salesforce records, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. First, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can customize and configure your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find search box on the left side of your screen, type in Object Manager, and select it from the results. The Object Manager is where you can access and modify all the different objects in your Salesforce org, from standard objects like accounts and contacts to any custom objects you've created. In the Object Manager, use the search bar to find Account and click on it. This opens up all the customization options available for the account object, which is where we'll be adding our new button. Next, click on Buttons, Links, and Actions from the left sidebar. This section displays all the existing buttons and links associated with the account object and allows you to create new ones tailored to your needs. Now click on New Button or Link to start creating your custom button. You'll be presented with a form where you can define exactly how this button will work and what it will do. In the label field, type Google Search. This is the name that will appear on the button, so make it clear and descriptive so users know exactly what will happen when they click it. For display type, select Detail Page Button. This ensures the button will appear on the account detail page where users view individual account records, making it easily accessible whenever they need it. Under Behavior, select Display in Existing Window without sidebar or header. This option controls how the link opens, and choosing this setting provides a cleaner viewing experience by removing unnecessary Salesforce navigation elements. For Content Source, select URL. This tells Salesforce that your button will link to an external web address rather than executing code or displaying a visualization. Now, in the URL field, paste the following: https://www.google.com/search $Q equals open brace URL in code open parenthesis account.name close parenthesis close brace. This formula creates a Google search using the account name. After pasting it, click Check Syntax to verify the formula is correct. Salesforce will validate your syntax and let you know if there are any errors. Once the syntax check passes, click Save. Your custom button is now created, but it's not yet visible on your account pages. We need to add it to the page layout. Click on Page Layouts in the left sidebar, then locate and click on Account Layout. This is the default layout that controls what fields and buttons appear on your account records. Click Edit to modify it. Look for the section labeled Mobile & Lightning Actions and expand it. This section contains the actions that appear on your Lightning Experience pages and in the Salesforce mobile app. From the palette above, find your newly created Google Search button and drag it into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. This placement makes the button visible and functional for users. Finally, click Save to apply your changes to the page layout. Your custom Google Search button is now live on your account records. Users can click it to instantly search Google for the account name, which is perfect for quick research or verification, and that's it. You've successfully created a custom button in Salesforce that links to an external URL. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.